Sabine Rolnick, Dr. Real Estate here, and I want to introduce you to my latest listing, 2218 Country Club Drive in Woodridge. It is a beautifully redone one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo, completely new. And it's part of a great condo community where there's a clubhouse and a pool and a lot of really nice grounds, and you can have parking in the lot here. And so we're gonna go ahead and take a look. This is the building right here behind me. We're gonna go inside and take a look at all the beautiful updates. Okay, so we're gonna walk in. So this condo is a first floor end unit. So when you enter the building, you just go down a couple of steps, and then it's immediately to your right. So here we are, unit number 1. Okay, let's go inside and see all the new updates. So when you walk in, you walk into the hallway. And by the way, all freshly painted, new trim, new doors. And I'm gonna go ahead straight to the living room and check out this really nice, look at this, new flooring and 2 patios. So here's the first patio that gives you storage as well as mechanicals and a little patio place. And this is looking out to the parking lot. And so look at this nice, big, spacious living room. And here's the second patio. And here, you're looking out to basically a lawn in the back of the property where you've got your patio, but you can expand past that. So having the end unit is really appealing because you've got 2 patios, not just 1. Okay, so again, here's the living room. Then we go over here, and this is the dining room. So it's perfect for a nice sized dining table. We've got more windows up here, really nice new fixtures, and this is right off of the brand new kitchen. And so when I say brand new, again, brand new flooring, brand new cabinets, brand new granite countertops. Okay, here's brand new stove and microwave. You've got these beautiful flat panel cabinets. Aren't they gorgeous? There's very cool backsplash. Okay, so we've got a galley kitchen here. Okay, all stainless steel. Brand new lighting. Plenty of space to cook on your counters here. Okay, and right off the dining room. Okay, so going back down the hallway back towards the front door. So from the front door, we could have made a quick right, and there we would find the brand new bathroom. Again, look at that beautiful tile wall, beautiful tile floor, brand new vanity and mirror and lights. Everything has been redone. And did I point out all the storage space? Look at this. Here's the closets in front of the bathroom. Here's the hall closets. Again, brand new doors. And now here we are in the bedroom. So again, beautifully, freshly painted, brand new trim, brand new flooring. And is that enough closet space for you? Look at that. That's a really large closet. So this is a very nice size room. You can definitely get your king size bed in here if you wanted, with night tables and plenty of storage in the closets. And again, your closets here, the bathroom here, and then we're back at the front door. The building has laundry and more storage. There's a bike room. So plenty of benefits to moving into this lovely condo community. So again, we've got the living room, 2 patios, and then the separate dining room that's right off the kitchen. So, hope you've enjoyed my tour. Hope you've enjoyed my tour of 2218 Country Club Drive, Unit 1 a lovely 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo. Reach out, let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to see it. Okay, take care. Once again, Sabine Rolnick, Dr. Real Estate here, and this doctor makes house calls.